Hello friends, today we're going to do another lesson on subtraction. Today's IXL skill that we're going to be focusing on is letters Z, J, A. So you can go onto the IXL.com, go up to the top of the screen where there is a search window and type in Z, J, A, and it will take you straight to these problems that we're going to be covering today. Okay, so the first one we're going to take a look at is this one that I have at the bottom of the screen. We're going to slowly start taking numbers and replacing them with words. Numbers and symbols. We're going to be replacing them with words. This is just part of a step-by-step process to get the students ready for word problems, because a lot of their math today is in word form. And so we're trying to make sure that they understand all of these words and that they basically all mean the same thing. So the first words we're going to be taking a look at are the words take away and is. Now don't worry if you can't read it yourself. I have set IXL to where it will read it to them. So I've clicked it, and all of the problems you should have an audio part where you can click on it and it will read to you if necessary. If it doesn't, please send me a message in Class Dojo or email me at paula.finley@abileneisd.org and let me know so I can make sure that I can check on that and make sure you do have it to where it can read to you. Okay, so one of the problems will look like this. It will give you a math problem. Some of it will be in numbers and some of it will be in words. And it will tell you to write this as a subtraction sentence using that symbol and that symbol. So they want you to use these symbols. You're going to take the sentence and turn it into a math sentence. A number sentence is what we call it. Okay, so we're going to start off. They're going to give you a box like this on IXL, and your job is to put the math problem or the number sentence into the box. So we're going to start off with 9. And what are we going to be doing to 9? We're going to be taking some away from it. So we're going to do 9 and we're going to take away 8. The way that we show take away is with this symbol right here. So 9 take away 8. Now, friends, the word is the same thing as equal. Is and equal. So 9 minus 8 is, or 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Now, what does that equal sign really mean? This equal sign means that whatever is on this side of the equal sign is the exact same as whatever is on this side of the equal sign. 9 minus 8 is the same thing as 1. If you have 9 and you take away 8, and we take away 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that 9 take away 8 is the same thing as 1. So that's what our equal sign really means. So 9 minus 8, or 9 take away 8, is 1. 9 take away 8 is 1. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the next problem. Once you got the hang of those, IXL will bump you up a little bit. You're still going to be working inside the same skill, ZJA, but it is going to get a little bit harder as you go. So the next skill they're going to give you is this one. We're taking some of our numbers and replacing them with words. So let's try to fill in the box for this one. We have to use this symbol and this symbol somewhere in there. We have to use those symbols. Okay, so our problem says 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. This symbol means take away or minus. And this time they're using that word minus. So we have to learn that subtract, take away, and minus all mean the same thing. So we have 4, and we're going to minus, which means take away. It's the same thing. 4 minus 1. So how much are we taking away? We're taking away 1. Is, and remember the word is means this is the same thing as the answer. So let's put our equal sign. 4 minus 1 is, and then we have a word. Instead of a number, there's a word. So we have to be listening because it will read it to us. 4 minus 1 is 3. That's the word 3. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3. All right, there's that level. And once you've got the hang of those and you're getting them right over and over again, it will bump you up to the next level. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next level. Eventually, it will get to where all of the words have gone away and all you have left, all of the numbers have gone away and all you have left are words. So this one, you don't see any numbers in there. But if you'll push that speaker button that should be right here, it will read it to you so that you can write the math problem. So this one says 8, that's the number 8, take away, which is that symbol, 0, which is the number 0. My marker is dying, isn't it? 8 minus 0 is, that's our equal sign. We're saying that this math problem is the same thing as this number, 8. If we have 8 and we don't take away anything, we take away 0, we still have 8. Okay, let's look at some of the other problems that they will also be giving you. This is where it gets even harder. This would be probably the hardest problem that they're going to give you on IXL. So let's just take a look at it. If you get one of these, that way you'll know how to work it. Okay, this one says 3 subtracted from 4 is 1. 3 subtracted from 4 is 1. So are we starting with 3 this time? If I put a 3 right here and I see the word subtracted, so I put a minus sign, and then I put a 4 because I just want to go in order across the sentence, is this math problem true? Is this correct? Let's try it. If we have 3 of something, can I take away 4? Let's try. I'm going to try to take away 4 from 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I can't take away 4. That's because my sentence that they gave me does not say that I am taking 4 away from 3. I am actually taking 3 away from 4. We're doing 3 subtracted from 4. So that means I'm not starting with 3. I am starting with 4. And I am taking 3 away from 4. 3 subtracted from. So we are taking away 3. Now let's see if we have the right math problem. If I have 4 of something and I take 3 of them away, is it the same thing as 1? Is it equal to 1? Yes, it is. So this is the math problem for this 3 subtracted from 4. We're taking the 3 away from the 4. Okay, be watching for that on IXL because it will try to trick you like that. So make sure you're paying attention to the wording. Don't forget that you can get on to IXL and also practice your subtraction facts. So after you've worked on ZJA for a while and tried to get your SMART score up to an 80, don't forget that you can also work on your basic subtraction facts. And here are some codes to get you to those facts. If you want to practice your basic facts where you take away 1 from all sorts of numbers, that code is H. That code is HAQ. And if you've gotten really good at taking away 1 and you're really fast at it, then you can try taking away 2 from different numbers. And the code for taking away 2 is FP5, and that will take you straight to your basic facts where you can practice taking away 2. And when you get really good at those, I'll give you some more codes later on. All right, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you on the next video.